Do you have oats, eggs, and milk in your house? If so, then let's make breakfast. So this is just 1 cup oats, added milk, which is 1 cup as well, and I was to use 2 eggs, but I ended up using only 1 egg because I was making breakfast for one. Allow the oats to soak in milk for about 5 minutes and then you will add the rest of the ingredients. For me, 1 egg was enough, but you can use more than 1 egg depending with the number of people that you're going to serve for breakfast. You can add your preferred seasoning. There is no limitation here, so just use what you like and what you may want to consume. So for mine, those are the things that I used. And I ended up adding oil. Keep watching and enjoy. So on medium low heat, add your oil, allow it to heat kidogo, and then add in your mixture and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes on one side, then turn it up to the next side and cook it again for another 15 minutes. It's ready. So at this point, our breakfast is ready. So enjoy while I am enjoying my breakfast over here. Thanks for watching up to this far, and please remember to subscribe if you've not done so. Like, share, comment, and tell me if you can have such a breakfast as well. So our next idea, we're going to have potatoes with eggs. So enjoy. Garam masala, black pepper, beef masala, turmeric, and then a jeera. Salt. nini is